Fresh tracks. I'm close.
I saw something. Don't move. Just stay still. Perfect shot. Now, let's claim it.
Thank goodness. Stay strong, Armand. Just a little further. Keep it steady. Gotta pin it down. Hold fast, hold fast. God, this weather. Just hold on, I've got to get this shelter up. It's my only chance. These hands are so cold. Hold on, just one more. Hold, steady. Almost there, stay dry. Just a little more, keep it out. Thank God. God, I made it. Just need to get warm now. The snow is melting fast now. It'll be ready soon. Time for a serious calorie boost. This is what winter camping is all about.
Perfect. That should do it. Looks delicious, doesn't it? शिलहा से भी नके दिया है.
Perfect. Exactly what I needed. The storm's escalating. That gust was too strong. I need to check the lines. The anchors won't hold. I've got to check them before it gets worse. I've got to check on those snow walls. The storm's getting worse. God! It's breached! Ugh. Gasp of concern. Keep pushing. I won't stop. Not until it's clear. Hold. Hold. Stay down. right, just a little more.
God, it's brutal. Must get inside. Safe. Finally safe.
Made it. Just barely. Have to get this off. It's so cold. Come on. That's it. Keep going. There. We did it.
The perfect elixir, the storm can wait.
The stove's burning low. Just checking the ventilation. I should add one more block just to be safe. It's too cold out there. All right, let's check these toes. Looks good, perfect circulation. Warm enough to brave the world again.
Keep rubbing. Good work.
Yeah, good work, buddy. Ah, that's it. Warm and pure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's plenty. All right, time to face the cold. This should do the trick. All right, time for the grand reveal. Ready? So ready. Wow, this is incredible. It truly is breathtaking. I can feel it in my lungs. I knew it would hold. Look at that. Beautiful. Time to get this snow off. That's better. Perfect. Time for a hot one. That fire is doing the trick. Ah. Now that's the taste of victory. Another beautiful morning. Time to pack up and keep moving. Good job securing everything last night, Arman. All right, here we go. One step at a time.